Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I earn Bitcoin using an AI-powered script. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go the link that you will find in the description. You can use an Ethereum compatibility wallet like MetaMask or any supported network, or if you're on Solana, just use Phantom. Make sure your wallet is funded. You'll need a small balance to activate the Bitcoin smart contract. Once you're all set, just tap on Start Mining. The AI script gets to work, running operations under the hood to mine BTC. As you can see, the earnings are building up. Pretty cool, right? When you're ready to cash out, enter your Bitcoin wallet address, the one where you want to receive your profits, then tap Withdraw. Go ahead and confirm the transaction in your wallet. And now let's see the proof of profit. There it is, your earnings live on the blockchain. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next.